Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the safe model and the exact lock type because the mounting and wiring vary. You remove the interior panel to expose the lock tailpiece and mounting screws, use the correct screwdriver, and keep parts organized. Once done, disconnect battery or mains to avoid shorting an electronic lock and note the orientation of cams and tailpieces. Make sure to photograph the assembly for reference. This saves time when you reverse the process and reduces mistakes. You now remove the old lock, back out mounting screws, and take the lock body free while keeping washers and spacers in sequence. Once the tailpiece and spindle are exposed, inspect springs and cams for wear and replace if needed, because a bad cam will ruin a fresh lock. Then position the new lock, align the tailpiece to the boltwork, hand start screws to avoid cross-threading, and rotate the lock to verify smooth actuation. If it binds, stop and realign. You don't want stripped threads. You finish by reassembling the interior panel and securing screws to the manufacturer's torque recommendations. This prevents misalignment over time. Once reinstalled, program the new combination or confirm key operation, because an unprogrammed electronic unit won't latch properly. Then you test the lock thoroughly. Cycle it open and closed multiple times, try emergency override or backup key, and check battery compartment for voltage under load. If the lock jams or fails to actuate,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.